So I know it's been a while since I have made a video about hair, but I did want to make this video because I find that I do get a lot of people asking me about my hair. To be honest, my hair is actually probably about this short. I have like a medium length haircut, but I do wear hair extensions, I would say 4 days out of the week, and I wear clip-in hair extensions. So I wanted to do a bit of a product review because I recently just got new ones. I got the Bellami Silk Steam hair extensions in 140 grams. So this one is the ash brown 16 inch and it goes to honey blonde. And I will say the quality of hair is super silky, super soft. And the reason why I got the rooted look is that anyone who's blonde knows that when you get your hair highlighted or whatever, you always have a bit of dimension or shadowing at the root. So the nice part is that when the wind blows, you're not going to see a big blonde chunk when it goes by. It just kind of looks like your natural hair. Like if I put it in right now, which you normally would back comb, but I'm not going to do because I'm so freaking lazy. It just blends in and I can move my hair and you can't see the clip. And it looks super natural and nice and full. I like the Bellami hair extensions. I think that they are great. These ones are the 16 inch, which are fairly long, which is perfect for me. I wanted more of a natural look. Some people want more of a longer, fuller look. So they do come in more options. There is the 16 inch, 18 inch, 20 inch, 22 inch, 24 inch, and 26 inch, which I think is a lot of hair. 26 inches is like past your butt, but you know, we all have our own personal preferences. I like them. I would say that I probably like these better than the other hair extensions I have tried, which I have tried quite a few. I have tried cashmere hair, I have tried milk and blush, I haven't tried Zala, but out of all of the extensions I've tried over the years, these ones by far I would say are my favorite. They look like your natural hair, they feel like your natural hair, the color matching is impeccable. I don't really have a bad thing to say about them. So if you are looking for a good quality clip-in hair extensions, I would go to Bellami and get yourself color matched. The nice part is that they are willing to they have a bunch of different sets. Like they have a Bugatti set, which is like a stupid amount of crazy hair. The Khaleesi set, and then they've got the seamless set, so on and so forth. Gaitang ombre sets. This one, for if you have fine, thinner hair and you want more of a natural look, I think it's perfect.